With the help of quantum theory of light or the particle theory of light, Einstein successfully explained photoelectric effect, and he got Nobel Prize for that in 1921. In 1921, Albert Einstein got Nobel Prize for the successful explanation of photoelectric effect, and he formed photoelectric equation. The first equation is E equal to W0 plus Ke max. That means energy falling on the metal surface is equal to work function plus kinetic energy. So when a radiation falls on the metal surface, that is E, a part of the energy is used for the ejection of electrons from the metal surface, that is the work function. The remaining energy is used to give the kinetic energy to the electrons. So when a radiation falls on the metal surface, its energy is E, and a part of energy E is used for the work function. That means for the ejection of electrons, and the remaining energy is used to move the electrons. So E equal to W0 plus kinetic energy maximum. For example, if 5 joule energy falls on the metal surface, 3 joule is used for the ejection of electrons and 2 joule is used for the movement of electron. That means kinetic energy of the electrons. So when an electromagnetic radiation falls on the metal surface, a part of the energy is used for the ejection of electrons. That is the work function. That energy is work function, and the remaining energy is used to move the electrons. That means that energy is used for the kinetic energy of the electrons. And E can be written as HF. H is the Planck's constant, F is the frequency of the light falls on the metal surface. Work function, as you already learned, work function equal to HF0, kinetic energy maximum, that is half mv max square. Kinetic energy maximum means velocity also will be maximum. Or in terms of wavelength, you can write the equation, same equation. So H instead of F, that is C by lambda. C is the speed of electromagnetic radiation, that is 3 multiplied by 10 to the power 8. Lambda is the wavelength of electromagnetic radiation. H, Planck's constant, C is the speed of electromagnetic radiation. Lambda 0 is the threshold wavelength. Threshold wavelength means what? It is the wavelength corresponding to the threshold frequency or work function. So threshold wavelength, then plus half mv square. Then if E equal to W0, if E become W0, that means energy falling on the metal surface is only work function. That means E becomes W0. Equation 1 becomes, instead of E, you can write W0. So W0 equal to W0 plus Ke max. So Ke max become 0. That means if the energy falling on the metal surface is only work function, that means there will be only ejection of electrons takes place, and there will not be any movement of electrons. That means the kinetic energy of the electrons will be 0. So these are the different forms of Einstein photoelectric equation. He successfully explained photoelectric effect. That means the ejection of electrons when light of suitable frequency falls on the metal surface. So he explained the photoelectric effect by using quantum theory of light or particle theory of light. So E equal to W0 plus Ke max. That means what? Energy falling on the metal surface is used for the ejection of electrons plus kinetic energy of the electrons. First we are ejecting the electrons and then we are giving kinetic energy to the electrons. That means the electrons are moving. If the energy falling is only work function, what will happen? There will not be any movement of electrons. There will be only ejection of electrons, and the kinetic energy becomes 0. So these are the different forms of Einstein photoelectric equation. Here the different symbols are E, that is the energy falling on the metal surface. W0 is the work function, kinetic energy maximum. H is the Planck's constant, F is the frequency of radiation falling on the metal surface, F0 is the threshold frequency. Threshold frequency is what? It is the minimum frequency required for the ejection of electrons. Then C is the speed of electromagnetic radiation, that is a constant, that's value is 3 multiplied by 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Lambda is the wavelength of electromagnetic radiation. Lambda 0 is the threshold wavelength, that means it is the minimum wavelength required for the photoelectric emission. And if E become W0, that means energy falling on the metal surface is only work function. The kinetic energy will be 0. That means there will be only ejection of electrons and there will be no movement of electrons. So Einstein developed this equation on the basis of quantum theory or particle theory of light, and he got Nobel Prize in 1921 for the successful explanation of photoelectric effect.